Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this video we are going to learn a very important concept about the Karnaugh map mapping. And right here we have our question which we are going to map on the Karnaugh map. So this basically is an SOP expression, that is the sum of the product expression, and let us quickly start with the solution of the video. Now if you notice here, the very first rule of mapping any expression on a Karnaugh map is to count the number of variables. So as you can see, we have a bar, A and A. So that means A and A complement is given, so we'll take this as A. Similarly, we have another variable, that is B, and the third variable is C. So technically in this question, basically this is a 3 input like a SOP expression. So in Karnaugh map, what we'll do is we'll raise this to 2 raised to the power 3, which is 8. So this means that this now will be an 8 cell Karnaugh map. Now let us draw our Karnaugh map over here. So let us draw this as a vertical component, and then we'll divide this into 8 squares. So 1, 2 and 3. Alright, so my drawing is not that good, but I think this would suffice. Okay, so the first one would be A bar, B bar, then we have A bar, B, followed by AB, and the last one would be A, B bar. Now in some cases you might see this as 0, 0, 0, 1, like in place of the complement you might get 0 and 1. So that is one and the same thing, but I always prefer to go to the solution by this particular approach, because this directly maps the question here. So technically, if you notice, the value of the first cell would be A bar, B bar, C bar, and then we have A bar, B bar, C, followed by A bar, B, C bar, A bar, B, A, B, C bar, and then A, B bar, C bar. And then right here we have A bar, B, C, then A, B, C, and A, B bar, C. Now if you notice, all we have to do is draw this Karnaugh map, and if you want to map this, then all you have to do is just mark the positions as 1 which are present in this question over here. So technically the first term is A bar, B, C. So can you find A bar, B, C? This one. So that means this position will have 1. Then we have A bar, B, C. So A bar, B, C is given right here just below this one. So there will be a 1 here as well. And the next one is A, B bar, C. So A, B bar, C is given here, right? So this is A, B bar, C. A, B, C bar, sorry. ABC bar. So ABC bar is given as ABC bar would be this one, because this is C bar and this is C. All right, and the next one is ABC. So ABC is given over here. So now this means that we have successfully mapped this in a Karnaugh map situation. So let us draw our final answer. So our final answer would look something like this. So first we draw a Karnaugh map with 8 cells, because this is a 3 input variable here. So now this is C bar, C, A bar, B bar, then we have A bar, B, then we have AB, and last one is AB bar. So this one would be 1, 1, 1 and 1. So technically what we have done is successfully mapped this on a Karnaugh map. Now what is a Karnaugh map? Karnaugh map basically is very similar to a truth table, because it presents all the possible inputs and the relationship between them, resulting in an output for each value. However, instead of being organized into columns and rows like a truth table, a Karnaugh map is an array of squares or cells in which each square represents a binary value of the input variable. The squares are arranged in a way so that simplification of the given expression with 2, 3, 4, 5 variable Karnaugh maps are illustrated here. And as you can see, we can even draw a 2 variable Karnaugh map or 3 variable Karnaugh map. So the formula is very simple. You raise it 2 to the power n. So for example, if it is a 2 variable Karnaugh map, so that means it will have 2 raised to the power 2, that is 4 cells. If it is a 3 variable Karnaugh map, then 2 raised to the power 3 would be 8. So this would be an 8 variable Karnaugh map. Similarly, 2 raised to the power 4 would become a 16 cell Karnaugh map. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.